If you're tired of fad diets and endless workouts, then you need to hear about Mitolyn. Mitolyn is a revolutionary weight loss supplement designed to boost your metabolism, increase energy, and support overall health. Packed with powerful natural ingredients like amla, rhodiola, and maqui berry, Mitolyn targets your mitochondrial function to supercharge fat burning and energy production. But don't just take our word for it. Real users are raving about losing 20 to 40 pounds, feeling more energized, and having better digestion. Imagine controlling your appetite and enhancing mental focus with just one supplement. Mitolyn is backed by science, focusing on mitochondrial health to tackle slow metabolism. While some reviews are mixed, many find it incredibly effective. So if you're ready to transform your weight loss journey, give Mitolyn a try. Your future healthier self will thank you. Subscribe for more health tips and reviews.